We're back in the shop, working on the old Avalanche again. More issues because of rust. I went to put it into drive today and something snapped, something let go. Let me show you what's going on. So we can shift the truck and nothing happens. Moving the gear shift, nothing. I thought it was the cable at first. It's not, luckily. We have a little easier and cheaper fix. So we're looking up at the driver's side of the transmission, and this is the shift cable here. It has come off the shift cable lever arm right here. I'm not sure how well you can see that, but yeah, right here. That should be on there. I think it's because of all the rust on the end of this. It's gotten a little small, so we bought a new one of those. And it looks like just one nut to take off, and then we can replace that. Not a whole lot of room for my arm and wrench and camera up in here at the same time, but we'll see what we can film. Not sure how much you can see, probably not much. But we'll do the best we can here. Oh, that came loose. That's a good sign. Should almost be there. Let's see if I get my arm up in there. There's not much room. Yeah, forget it. All right, nuts off. Now let's go get a pry bar. No idea whether we're in frame here or not. I'm just prying off the old arm. If it will come off. It's so friggin' rusty. That's moving. Oh, I should have put it back in park. It doesn't really matter when it comes off. There we go. Well, we've got the new arm sitting beside the old one, and they are the same. This is rusty, and that is probably the problem, but it doesn't look as bad as I was hoping. It is a little, a little smaller because of the rust. Anyways, it could be the bushing. If it pops off again, that's what we'll have to replace. But we'll throw the new arm on and see where we end up. Well, I know you can't see much. I can't see much. We'll muddle through it. Hard even to get up in here. Rust dropping on my face. Be a lot easier without the front drive shaft in there. Holy. Wow, what a pain in the butt. Come on. Yep, most of the way on. Get the nut started. Gotta be a contortionist. Move that light a little bit. $15 mil. Take that bolt off. Rust dropping right in my mouth. Okay, that should be tight enough. Slide the cable back on. And it's snapped in there. I think that's all the way. Just gonna give that a little pry just to make sure it's seated. Seems to be. It's on there. Well, we'll give that a shot anyway, see if that helps. 15 bucks, fixed our problem. Well, that seems to have done it. Ran it through a few times. Hasn't popped off yet, so guess we can call that a win. Anyways, if you liked the video, you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, and consider subscribing to my channel. I've got a bunch of more videos on this Avalanche, as well as a few other things that you might find interesting. Anyways, thanks for watching.